If you are searching for an ideal program to get rid of excess fat quickly and obtain more vitality, then Mike Whitfield's The Achievable Body might be the best guide for you to do so. In the face of pancakes, burgers and other sugary stuff, it's very hard to control whatever individuals eat, hence weight problems are a big issue. But on the other hand, doctors are warning that unhealthy diet plus lack of proper exercise routine is the main cause of weight gain and the diseases that come as a result of maintaining fat in the body. Click the link in the description below this video for details. However, it's also interesting to realize that the weight loss market is full of programs that purport to help individuals burn fat fast and stay healthy for the rest of their lives. It's hard to single out programs that work and those that don't. But despite all this, there is this one fat-burning blueprint that has caught the attention of the world. Mike Whitfield's program called The Achievable Body is among the few known weight loss programs which have been known to help individuals burn fat quickly and achieve vitality. This fat-burning plan is easy, workable and result-oriented. More reviews on the internet are actually praising it as the #1 weight loss program currently retailing in stores online. One characteristic that we've noted with the Achievable Body program is that it works slow but sure. It's not the quickest way to lose weight, but it's the surest way to eliminate fat and reverse the aging process without dangerously spiking your metabolism. Every information has been laid out in an easy step-by-step process that you can follow. So getting started with this program is actually super easy. It's safe to say that this is a weight loss system that has been tested scientifically, and is a well-structured routine that will help shed more calories than any other system out there. You should realize success in just 3 weeks, given that it will reprogram your metabolism to work quicker regardless of how old you are. With this weight loss routine, you have the freedom to eat what you want, but in safe quantities. You will never have to worry about excess calorie intake in your body. Because it tricks your body to start burning fat, this program can help you slash 65% of your body fat. It's currently the best weight loss program out there because it heavily relies on the act of adjusting your hormones into tricking your body to increase its metabolism. It's actually a weight loss routine that was created out of the Cornell University study, which was highly successful. Click the link in the description below this video for details.